Ever wonder what magic number lenders use to decide if you get that dream apartment or the best loan rate? That, my friends, is your credit score. It's like your financial fingerprint, a secret code that follows you around. But how do you even crack that code? Credit Karma Introduction. Chances are, you've heard of Credit Karma. It's this free online service that throws your credit score at you like a participation trophy. It feels good, right? But is Credit Karma all it's cracked up to be? Is it the key to unlocking financial Valhalla? Credit Karma, the good. Let's be honest, Credit Karma does some things really well. First, it's free. You can't beat that price tag, especially for students or young adults just starting to build credit. Plus, it's user-friendly. The interface is clean, the information is easy to understand, and hey, free credit score updates are always a win. Credit Karma, the not-so-good. But here's the thing, Credit Karma isn't a knight in shining armor. It only shows you scores from TransUnion and Equifax, two of the three major credit bureaus. What about Experian, the other big player? Credit Karma leaves them out in the cold. Here's a bigger issue. Credit Karma uses VantageScore, a credit score model that lenders might not even consider. The real gold standard is FICO scores, and Credit Karma doesn't offer those for free. So, you might be feeling good about a high Vantage score, only to get blindsided by a lower FICO when you apply for a loan. Introducing credit bureaus. Let's take a step back. Credit Karma is like the middleman, showing you a reflection of your credit report from two bureaus. But the real source of truth lies with the credit bureaus themselves, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. These bureaus collect information about your borrowing history, payment habits, and even public records. They compile this data into your credit report, which lenders use to generate your FICO score. Credit bureaus versus Credit Karma. So, why not just go straight to the source? There are actually a few reasons. First, unlike Credit Karma, getting your credit report directly from each bureau usually comes with a fee. Second, the process can be a bit cumbersome, requiring you to navigate each bureau's website individually. Alternatives to Credit Karma. But fear not, there are knights out there besides Credit Karma. Here are some options to consider. Annualcreditreport.gov. This government-run website allows you to claim a free credit report from each bureau every year. It's not the most user-friendly option, but hey, it's free. Credit monitoring services. Several companies offer credit monitoring services, often with a free tier. These services can provide you with your FICO score, monitor your credit report for changes, and even offer identity theft protection. Be sure to read the fine print, though, as some free tiers have limitations and can lead to paid subscriptions. Choosing the right option. So, which option is right for you? It depends on your needs. If you're just starting out and want a basic overview of your credit, Credit Karma might be a good first step. But if you're serious about building strong credit or applying for a major loan, consider a service that offers FICO scores and credit report monitoring from all three bureaus. Beyond the score. Remember, your credit score is just one piece of the puzzle. Building good credit habits is key. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization ratio low, that means don't max out your credit cards, and avoid opening too many new lines of credit at once. Call to action. Alright, enough credit talk for now. What questions do you have about credit scores or building good credit? Leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.